Show y'all my little setup out here. Ain't too much going on. I'm a hot plate. You know what I'm saying? Everything out here need to be cleaned off, man, because I haven't been out here too much lately. But every now and again, I come out here, man, and just, so I do all my frying out here because I don't want the house to, be smelling like grease and all that. So I just got me some couple of leg quarters and leg quarter and 2 drumsticks. I got me some just regular seasoned fries right there. And it's backyard cooking, man. So just to keep them cooking in the house. That's about it. These my double deep fryers that I brought from Amazon. I think I paid around $160 for them. They work perfectly, but they pull a lot of power. So I mean, depending on where you at, you can only run like one at a time. I got one over there right now. You know what I'm saying? They pull a lot of power, so you have to run them on 2 separate outlets. But they work real good. And then you can turn them all the way down. That's a level right there. You can turn it all the way down to 0 and let it chill and just do its thing until you get ready to fire it back up. You can let it chill for 30 minutes and you turn it right back up and it's ready to go again. So, like I said, 2 of them. These are the baskets that come with them. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, they put a lot of power. They pull a lot of power. So yeah. But they real good. Trust me, they real good. It's my hot plate. I need one a little bit more powerful than this. They don't put out enough power for me. Cause I steam my crabs and stuff on these, but they don't push out enough power. This right here is my hot plate. I basically use this for warmers. It got 3 trays that come with it. So it's one here, one here, one here. It's basically like a serving tray. And every now and again, if you want to, put some bacon or sausage or eggs or whatever on there, you can go ahead and do that. But I don't really too much use it. I use it just to warm my food. But right now, that's what it is, man. That double warmer, boy, that thing don't even play. Alright, man. Look, backyard cooking. Backyard cooking. It ain't even a joke. Alright? You backyard cooking, baby.